Joel Fritz with Caterpillar's small track-type tractor product group. Today I'd like to introduce you to the D5K. The D5K is offered in the XL or LGP undercarriage configuration. The XL is offered with 20-inch shoes and the LGP is offered with 26-inch wide shoes. This model is ideal for heavy dozing, spreading truck dirt, and also finish grading. The D5K is part of the K family, which includes the D3K, D4K, and also the D6K. With that, let's take a look at some of the features on the D5K today. The undercarriage on a track-type tractor is the key differentiation between it and other machines. Therefore, it's very important to help the operator and customer keep their operating costs as low as possible. At Caterpillar, we offer two different solutions in order to provide the customer the lowest cost per hour for his specific application. We offer the conventional sealed and lubricated type track, which is ideal for situations where you are not bushing limited. And when I say bushing limited, I mean you do not have to turn the bushing in order to get all of the life out of the link assembly. If you do not have to turn the bushing, possibly sealed and lubricated track would provide you the best solution for your particular application. Secondly, we also offer System 1 undercarriage. System 1 undercarriage is ideal for applications where you are bushing limited and it does require a bushing turn to get the maximum life out of the track. With System 1 undercarriage, you actually do not have to remove the track to turn the bushing because the bushing turns continuously during operation. The bushing is part of a pin and bushing cartridge that's pressed into the link assembly and rotates continuously during operation, therefore reducing wear to the bushing. In addition to this feature on System 1 undercarriage to help reduce cost per hour, we also have what we call a center tread idler. This is different compared to the conventional idler used with salt type undercarriage. You'll notice the idler rides in between the link assemblies, therefore removing contact for wear and increasing undercarriage life and reducing your undercarriage cost per hour. This is the business end of the machine. This is what does the job that you get paid for. Let's talk about one thing that we have as a feature on the D5K, and that is blade pitch. With blade pitch, this allows the operator to manually rock the blade forward for better penetration in hard materials for better productivity and getting the job done faster, or you can manually lay the blade back or rearward to have more optimum blade carrying capacity when spreading material on the job site. Let's take a look at how we can adjust the blade pitch on the D5K. The D5K comes from the factory with the blade pitch in the mid-range position, as you can see right here on the scale of the top pitch guard. To adjust the pitch, what we will do is remove the safety pin from the pin on the cover, remove the pin, remove the cover, and the cover actually acts as a wrench. Simply attach the cover slot over the turnbuckle and turn the turnbuckle either clockwise or counterclockwise to adjust the length of the pitch link to rock the blade forward for improved penetration or to lay the blade back for optimum blade carrying capacity when spreading material. After you've selected the desired pitch, simply put the bracket back on, the guard back on. Be sure and put the pin through the guard and insert the safety pin. In today's industry, the small track-type tractor is being used for more and more finished grading work, which was traditionally done by motor graders. An excellent tool to complement the D5K and the K family dozers in this operation is grade control. At Caterpillar, our grade control is called AccuGrade. With the AccuGrade technology, you can either use GPS as you see this D5K is equipped, or you may use laser type technology. Either one can greatly improve your job site efficiency when trying to complete finished grade work. Let's take a look at the AccuGrade components on this machine and also inside the cab of the D5K. At Caterpillar, we've paid close attention to integrating grade control into the overall design of the machine. An example of that is with this D5K. You see the harnesses are located at the front of the machine, where it's basically a plug-and-play operation to install this on a tractor that's equipped with the AccuGrade Ready option. We mentioned that the AccuGrade was designed into the D5K tractors. A good example of this is the display that's located in the dash of the D5K. It's located below the instrument panel. It's very easy to see, and then also in the line of sight for the operator to look down at the corner of the blade where he's doing his work. Also, at the end of the day, it's a very simple operation to remove the display. The operator can simply turn the knob, remove the cable from the back of the display, and simply slide the display off the hinges, take the display to the pickup truck for overnight safekeeping. Then bring it back the next day, simply transfer it back onto the hinges, hook the cable back up, close the door, and ready to go to work. When we talk to you, the customer, one of the things that you always tell us you desire in a machine is improved operator comfort, because this helps reduce the amount of operator fatigue and allows the operator to get more work during the day and helps you, the customer, make more money. We have taken that and designed it into the D5K. As you'll notice on the D5K, the joysticks are conveniently located on the left and right hand side of the operator. The operator's hands fall very comfortably on top of the controls, and you'll notice the controls and armrest are attached to the seat, which is a air ride suspension seat system. The seat also is heated as an option. The armrests are fully adjustable. The joystick pods can be moved out or to the rear to adjust to the operator's arm length. Also, we have a wrist rest which can be adjusted up and down, and also a armrest that can be adjusted up and down. The seat can be moved forward, rearward, and also the back of the seat may be adjusted to the back or forward. In addition to those adjustments, we also offer standard equipment, a lumbar support adjustment knob that's located on the left rear of the seat. All these features tremendously reduce operator fatigue and allow the operator to be more productive throughout the day. Another feature on the D5K is blade shape. This helps reduce the amount of fatigue that the operator has when trying to get sticky material to fall off the blade at the end of the doze cycle. The operator simply presses the yellow button. It automatically shakes the blade at the end of the dump cycle and allows him to return to the beginning of his doze cycle. Earlier we talked about reducing operating costs. One of the things on the D5K that allows us to do this for the customer is what we call fuel efficient reverse. When operating the machine in reverse, the operator may press this switch on the right hand console, and this decreases engine RPM when in the reverse direction. While working in reverse, most of the time maximum horsepower is not required, therefore reducing engine RPM does not decrease machine performance. When it is depressed, the reverse speed is maintained at the desired level. Today we've discussed several features and benefits of the D5K. We talked about the undercarriage and the two different options we have available from Caterpillar, sealed and lubricated track and System 1 undercarriage, which help provide the best solution for your application and generate the lowest cost per hour for your undercarriage. Additionally, we talked about blade pitch and how it can be adjusted for optimum dozing productivity. Also in the area of the blade, we talked about grade control and how it can be used to more efficiently get your job done especially when doing finished grade work that has conventionally been done traditionally by motor graders. Lastly, we took a look at the cab and a lot of the operator comfort features that we offer, such as seat-mounted control, air ride suspension seat. And lastly, we talked about how it can help reduce your fuel consumption with fuel-efficient reverse. All of these things add up to a very good value in the D5K for you, the customer, and help you get your work done easier, faster, and more profitably. If you have any more questions on the D5K we've talked about today or the K family dozers, please contact your local Cat dealer. We appreciate the time today, and we look forward to seeing a D5K on your job site. Thanks.